Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In this video, I am going to discuss about singers. Singing is the one of the simplest and yet most powerful form of music making. A soothing song can relieve the stress and can alter our emotions positively. In this video, I am going to discuss about the astrological combinations for singing career. First, let us see the key houses and planets for singers. In astrology, the third house rules musical skills and vocal cords. The fifth house rules creativity and ninth house calls for deep understanding. The sign Gemini rules throat. The Venusian sign Taurus and Libra are important for singers. The Venus is the key planet for singers. The Mercury, the planet of skill and versatility, is also important. Well placed moon with Venus would give soothing and charming voice. Well placed Ketu in third house can give modulation in singing. Now let us see few example horoscope to understand the astrological combinations for singers. First we will see the horoscope of Elvis Presley. Elvis was an American singer, musician and actor. He was regarded as one of the most significant cultural icons of 20th century and he was often referred as King of Rock and Roll. He is the best-selling solo music artist of all time. In 2018, Presley was posthumously awarded the President Medal of Freedom. The birth details of Elvis Presley is given here for your reference. This is the horoscope of Elvis Presley. The ascendant is Aries. The ascendant Lord Mars occupies 6th house, the house of Mercury. The third house rules musical skills. The 5th house rules creativity and 9th house calls for deep understanding. The third Lord Mercury, who is the planet of skills and versatility, conjoined with 5th Lord Sun in 9th house, aspecting third house, Gemini, the house of singers. The divine planet Jupiter also aspects third house. The artistic planet Venus, also the planet rules singers, occupies 10th house with Rahu. Rahu in 10th house, Upajayasthana, is very special. From Moon, the 3rd and 10th Lord Mars occupies 8th house and aspects 3rd house. The divine planet Jupiter also aspects 3rd house from Moon. So in this horoscope, the conjunction of 3rd Lord Mercury and 5th Lord Sun in 9th house aspecting 3rd house and the divine planet Jupiter aspecting 3rd house, the artistic planet Venus occupying 10th house and from Moon the 3rd Lord Mars aspecting 3rd house are key combinations for his highly successful singing career. Elvis Presley's first album, Heartbreak Hotel, released in 1956 during Jupiter Mahadasha Mars Bhukti. In the same year, he made his film debut. Next, we will see the horoscope of Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar is an Indian playback singer and music director. She is best known and most respected playback singers in India. She was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the India's highest civilian honor. In 2007, the France conferred on her its highest civilian award, the Officer of Legion of Honor. The birth details of Lata Mangeshkar is given here for your reference. This is the horoscope of Lata Mangeshkar. The ascendant is Gemini, the sign of singers. The third house rules singing ability and vocal cord. The fifth house rules creativity and ninth house rules deep understanding. The Lagna Lord Mercury, the planet of skills and versatility, exalted in 4th house with 3rd Lord Sun, aspected by divine planet Jupiter and 9th Lord Saturn. The artistic planet Venus occupies 3rd house. From Moon, The third Lord Mercury exalted in third house with second Lord Sun, aspected by divine planet Jupiter and Saturn. So in this horoscope, the Lagna being the sign of singers and Lagna Lord Mercury exalted in 4th house with 3rd Lord Sun aspected by divine planet Jupiter and 9th Lord Saturn. 3rd house occupied by the planet of singing Venus. And from Moon, the 3rd Lord Mercury exalted in 3rd house with Sun aspected by Jupiter and Saturn are excellent combinations for prolific singing. Lata Mangeshkar recorded her first song in 1943 during Mercury Mahadasha, Saturn Bhukti. Throughout Venus Mahadasha, she became very popular singer in India. Until date, she was regarded as one of the most respected singer in India. Next, we will see the horoscope of Dr. Balamurali Krishna. Balamurali Krishna was an Indian Carnatic vocalist, musician, multi-instrumentalist, playback singer, composer and character actor. He started his career at the age of 6 and gave over 25,000 concerts worldwide. He was awarded Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian honor in 1991 for his contribution towards arts. The birth details of Balamurali Krishna is given here for your reference. This is the horoscope of Balamurali Krishna. The ascendant is Sagittarius. The ascendant is occupied by 3rd Lord Saturn. The sign Gemini rules singers. Mark the position of sign Gemini in this horoscope. The Lagna Lord Jupiter, the Lord of Gemini Mercury, who is also the 10th Lord, and 9th Lord Sun are conjoined in the house of singers, aspected by 3rd Lord Saturn from Lagna. From Moon, the 3rd Lord Saturn occupies 2nd house, aspected by Mercury, Jupiter and Sun from the sign Gemini. The 3rd house from Moon is aspected by the planet of singing Venus. So in this horoscope, the Lagna occupied by 3rd Lord Saturn and the Lagna Lord Jupiter, the Lord of Gemini Mercury and 9th Lord Sun occupying the sign Gemini, aspected by 3rd Lord Saturn, and from Moon, the 3rd house aspected by the planet of singing Venus, are excellent combinations for his highly successful singing career. Dr. Balamurali Krishna at age 15 mastered all 72 ragas during Saturn Mahadasha, and during his Mercury, Ketu, Venus and Sun Mahadasha, he became the most influential singer in India. He was awarded Padma Vibhushan Award in 1991 during Venus Mahadasha Mercury Bhukti. Next, we will see the horoscope of Mohammad Rafi. Mohammad Rafi was an Indian playback singer and he was considered as the one of the greatest and most influential singer in Indian subcontinent. He was well known for his ability to mold his voice to the persona and style of an actor. He has recorded more than 7,400 songs in many languages. The birth details of Mohammad Rafi is given here for your reference. This is the horoscope of Mohammad Rafi. The ascendant is Libra, the Venusian sign. The 5th house rules creativity and entertainment. The 5th Lord Saturn exalted in Lagna, the Venusian sign. The 3rd house rules singing. Mark the position of 3rd house in this horoscope. The 3rd Lord Jupiter, the planet of skill and versatility Mercury, and 11th Lord Sun are conjoined in 3rd house, aspected by exalted Yogakaraka Saturn from Venusian sign. I have already mentioned that the conjunction of Moon and Venus would give soothing and charming voice. So in this horoscope, the 2nd house occupied by Moon and Venus is very special combination for his charming voice. From Moon, the third Lord Saturn exalted in Venusian sign. And from Moon, the third house occupied by Ketu is very special combination for his excellent voice modulation singing. Mohammad Rafi is well known for his voice modulation according to the persona and the actor. So in this horoscope, the Lagna being Venusian sign, occupied by exalted 5th Lord Saturn, the third house occupied by 3rd Lord Jupiter, the planet of skills Mercury, and 11th Lord Sun aspected by exalted Saturn from Venusian sign, and conjunction of Moon and Venus in 2nd house, and from Moon the 3rd Lord Saturn exalted in Venusian sign, and from Moon the 3rd house occupied by Ketu are highly auspicious combinations for his successful singing career. Mohammad Rafi made his debut song in 1941 during Mercury Mahadasha Venus Bhukti, and during his entire Mercury, Ketu and Venus Mahadasha he became the most influential singer in the subcontinent of India. Let me quickly summarize. In astrology, the 3rd house rules musical skills and vocal cords. The 5th house rules creativity and the 9th house calls for deep understanding. The sign Gemini rules throat. The Venusian sign Taurus and Libra is also important for singers. The Venus is the key planet for singers. The Mercury, the planet of skills and versatility, is also important. Well-placed Moon with Venus would give soothing and charming voice. And well-placed Ketu in the 3rd house can give modulation while singing. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.